Today on PJ Flip Studio, I will be teaching you how to do the quick draw. The move itself is pretty simple. You can do on either handle, the bite or safe, because once you flip it up, the blade's not going to hit you at all. So if you do it with the bite handle, the blade will come up facing outwards, you see. And if you do it with the safe handle, the blade will be this way. It does not really matter, but I like doing it on the bite handle because then you can slice and dice right away. Now, to do the move, all you do is hold it like this on the standard, flip out the knife like this, let it come up, readjust your hand so that the blade come up, all in one motion at the same time. And to close, just do the same thing to open it, like that. The move should look pretty clean, like that. And you do it, boom, boom, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, that's it for today, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Ah!